Winter can be harsh on your skin, making it dry, itchy, and sometimes even painful. Here are some effective home remedies to help you take care of your skin during the winter months. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a great natural moisturizer that can help keep your skin soft and supple. Apply a small amount of coconut oil to your skin after showering or bathing, or use it as a deep conditioning treatment for your hair. Oatmeal. Oatmeal can help soothe dry, itchy skin. Mix a cup of oatmeal with warm water to form a paste, and apply it to your skin for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Honey. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it helps lock in moisture. Apply a thin layer of honey to your skin and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Aloe vera. Aloe vera can help soothe and hydrate dry, irritated skin. Cut open an aloe vera leaf and apply the gel to your skin, leaving it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Avocado. Avocado is rich in healthy fats and antioxidants, which can help nourish and protect your skin. Mash up a ripe avocado and apply it to your skin for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and can help reduce inflammation. Brew a cup of green tea and let it cool before applying it to your skin with a cotton ball. Petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly is a great way to lock in moisture and protect your skin from the harsh winter elements. Apply a thin layer of petroleum jelly to your skin before bed to help prevent dryness and cracking. By using these home remedies, you can help keep your skin healthy and hydrated during the winter months.